Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Now confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. When you're done with all of those, click on wherever you want to in all the other ones. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung smartphone and receive right next to Send at the bottom of Z Flip 7. Also on Samsung smartphone, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In the last two categories, which are contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any apps, hit OK in white pop-up, and to continue, hit Got It in Here's Some Tip 1. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on Flip 7. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire, and hit Receive button to connect. Whatever you decided, just wait. Close our ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!